welcome back to the Mokaz's family, and today we bring you a travel vlog. Okay, we are heading to Taita. Taita is our shags, and I think I'm always happy when we are traveling to Taita. You know, like when you're going home, I'm always happy when you're traveling home. I decided to use the Embakasi, that is a northern bypass, so at least I can connect with Mombasa Road. And the road is not that bad as I thought, traffic and all that, because being a morning. And yeah, so we are driving this big engine over here. We call it Kifaru, thanks to Sunworld Safaris for this amazing offer. So guys, we'll bring you how the journey is from Nairobi all the way to Taita. Amazing places we'll show you on the way. We'll tell you a bit of history of the places that actually we are going to cover. And yeah, let us know if we cover your area, if you know a little bit about your home, so at least you can tell us more about your home and we go this journey together. Beautiful places actually. Signature Mall, it's a very nice mall. That's Signature Mall. And one thing that is synonymous with this place is you know, so many lorries, so expect high, you know, air pollution, mostly fumes from the lorries, so many industries. So we have factories over here.
What's up, good people? Good morning. It is morning. It's 7:30 a.m. and I'm in Kitengela. Yes, as we start our journey way to Taita. So in a few, I'm going to show you my day's outfit.
This is the outfit of the day. Mask, Mokazi Fitness. T-shirt, Mokazi Fitness. Pants, Mokazi Fitness. So when we are traveling, we like, you know, being easy, being simple. And this is the beasts that we are going with. This is the beast we are going with. And thanks to Sunworld Safaris for this amazing offer. So guys, first stop over Emali. Then maybe we'll have our lunch at Mtitwandei. Come along.
our second stop over at Mtito Andei. We're going to cut some lunch at National Oil. Yeah, we're going to have biryani and coastal meals. So guys, see you in a few.